Hello everyone and welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to copy your Facebook profile link on your PC step by step. This is useful if you want to share your profile with friends, family, or colleagues. So let's get started. First, open your preferred web browser on your computer. Next, go to the Facebook website and sign into your account if you haven't already. Once you're logged in, click on your profile picture or your name in the top right corner of the screen to open your profile. When your profile page loads, click on the address bar at the top of your browser. You'll see your Facebook profile URL highlighted. Press Ctrl+C on your keyboard to copy the link. Alternatively, you can right-click the address bar and select Copy from the menu. Your Facebook profile link has now been copied to your clipboard. To make sure it worked, you can open a text editor or a new email and press Ctrl+V to paste the link. If your profile uses a custom username, your link will look something like facebook.com/yourusername. If you don't have a custom username, Facebook may display a profile link with numbers instead. Both types of links will take you to your profile. You can now paste the copied link into messages, emails, or social media posts to share your profile with others. And that's it. You've successfully copied your Facebook profile link on your PC. Thanks for watching. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more Facebook tips and tutorials. See you in the next video.